Isaiah Soto.
Yep. My favorite Soto.
Say, tell him to show you all my Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles. I say Ninja Turtles. And then down the north. And it say, wow! And that, well, dun dun dun! Get out of here, Vivato.
Go tell them. So you have this one too?
Yeah, I got this one and this one is. This one's a Dyson one. It's not Dyson one. Big roof. A really big roof.
Tell them I have a big Barbie.
Poppy.
Wait. I'm gonna take out the Barbie for now. Take care of the Barbie.
Yeah, this is it.
Alrighty, you want
And then I have dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Get out of here, you turtle.
That's so many opportunities, girl.
Yeah. Oh my God! And this one's a Barbie. This one's Barbie.
Hey guys, I'm Barbie.
Yeah, it's Barbie. Yeah, it's Barbie.
Hey guys, I do her hair.
Yeah.
Oh god.
You remember,
I
dude?
did her hair and she has a
Okay,
little
okay.
headband with the hair.
Okay.
Like me.
Oh
This is-
yeah. Dude, I'm so sweet. Hey, you.
Show them all your Ninja Turtle, okay?
Okay.
Put your thing back. Turtles.
Yeah.
Ready? And first, we got this one, you guys.
Nah, Michelangelo.
Okay, put this in. Oh, get the. There we got a dinosaur. Run!
Yeah.
Okay, put this.
Yeah.
And then tell them we got this one. We got this one. Who's this name?
Vivato.
Okay, we got Ricardo. He's gonna be sitting down right there.
Yeah.
Okay. This one doesn't
Yeah,
have
I
a head.
mean,
This one doesn't have a head, y'all guys.
I may sit them in tin time.
Okay, what is
Ricardo,
okay.
Oh, down.
Then we have dinosaur. What's his name? Rectar?
Rectar.
His name's Rectar.
Yeah, because he has black eyes. And he's creepy.
He is this one. Who's this name?
It's Turtello.
Tartello.
Yep.
Sit down right there at the front.
Yep, he sits down in the things.
Here's this one.
Yeah, that
What's
one
his name?
stand up.
Mikey.
Mikey.
His name's Mikey.
Yeah, Andrew the Mikey.
Stand right here.
Yeah.
What's his name? Oh, we have this one.
Yeah, Turtello.
Tartello.
Yep. And he got Johnny over here.
Then we got he got this one. What's his name? His name's Brooklyn. His name is Brooklyn.
Yeah.
What's his name? Spiky.
Spiky.
His name's Spiky.
You know we not like to stay or not.
And guys, we have all these glasses here.
Yeah.
Some glasses. What's his name?
The glasses.
Okay, their name is Glasses.
Yep.
And we got a big tractor.
Yep.
What's this name? Tractor?
Tractor.
Tractor, guys. Got
Yeah.
some pieces. What is this? Phone case?
Focus.
Hey, this is a phone case, guys.
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. Now the phone case here. He plays with it to put it
You know
inside
we
here.
not like to stay or not. Yes.
What's this? Are the pieces?
Pieces.
These are pieces?
Yep. And right now, you not like to stay or not.
And then tell them these are ketchup. These are ketchup.
Ketchup.
He puts them inside here.
Yep.